Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher of class 3rd. This is our lecture number 8. Now I am going to explain how to do English copy to work. You must cover your copy with plastic sheet. Then maintain first page with your name, father's name, class, section and subject. Then turn this page. Leave this side and start your work from here. Mention date and sentences. Then draw two columns, one for words and other column is for sentences. Now tell me, what are sentences? Sentences are the group of words which expresses a complete thought. In other words, it makes sense. जुमला अल्फाज के ऐसे मजमूए को कहते हैं जिसमें बात का मतलब वाज़ेह हो. These are few words and these are sentences. First word is village. Shahid lived in a village. We convey our thoughts to other people in the form of sentence. We should be able to compose good sentences. You can make your own good sentences. Just like village, Shahid lived in a village. Number 2, hunt. The cats hunt the mice. Full stop. Tiger. Tiger lives in the jungle. Full stop. Palm tree. I saw a palm tree in a forest. Full stop. Curious. Ali is a curious boy. Full stop. Rabbit. I have a soft and fluffy rabbit. Full stop. Grateful. I am very grateful to Allah. You will write the first letter of Allah is capital. Then show full stop. Silent. During the prayer, comma, everyone should be silent. Full stop. Wonderful. Our school is wonderful. Full stop. Grace. Legends live with dignity and grace. Full stop. These are complete sentences from 1 to 10. Now we are going to start our next exercise. Words opposites. Draw two columns, one for words and the second one is for opposites. What are opposites? Opposites are words pairs that are related but totally different in meaning. Opposite ऐसे अल्फाज के पेयर्स होते हैं जो बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ मीनिंग रखते हैं लेकिन एक दूसरे से रिलेट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक, डिसलाइक, केयरफुल, केयरलेस, कूल, वार्म, आउटसाइड, इनसाइड, strong, weak, up, down, left, right, short, long, rich, poor, ugly, beautiful, hot, cold, high, low, foolish, wise, far, near, kind, unkind, care, neglect, truth, falsehood, happiness, sadness, joy, sorrow, war, peace. These are 20 words meaning. These are 20 words opposites. This is your complete exercise. Now we are going to start a new exercise, singular plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. While changing singular to plural, we generally add s to the end of the word. For example, plant, plants, arrow, arrows, rabbit, rabbits, ocean, oceans, hero, mango and potato. These are irregular nouns, so their plurals are hero, heroes, mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes. Nouns ending with ch, s, sh or x form their plurals by adding es. ऐसे सिंगुलर जो ch पर ख़त्म हो रहे हों या जिनके आखिर में s आ रहा हो, x आ रहा हो, sh आ रहा हो, ऐसे में हम प्लूरल के लिए es का इजाफ़ा कर देते हैं. Just like pouch, pouches, match, matches, fox, foxes. Nouns ending with y, before which there is no vowel, form their plural by changing the y to I and add es. It becomes ies. ऐसे सिंगुलर जिनके आखिर में y मौजूद हो और y से पहले कोई भी वॉवल मौजूद ना हो, ऐसे में हम y की जगह I लिखते हैं और उसके साथ es का इजाफ़ा कर देते हैं. ये बन जाता है ies. ड्यूटी, ड्यूटीज़, फेरी, फेरीज़, बेबी, बेबीज़, कॉपी, कॉपीज़, फ्लाई, फ्लाइज, बॉडी, बॉडीज़, फैमिली, फैमिलीज़, सिटी, सिटीज़, लेडी, लेडीज़, story, stories. These are complete exercise from 1 to 20 singular plural. Now we are going to start our new exercise, genders. Mention date, draw 2 columns. One for masculine and the second one is for feminine. Nouns which refers to males belong to the masculine gender. For example, man, father, king, etc. Nouns which refer females belongs to feminine gender. For example, mother, daughter, sister, etc. मुज़क्कर मुअन्नस जैसे मर्द मुज़क्कर है means masculine and औरत मुअन्नस है means feminine. Now start your work. Father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, husband, wife, Mr, Mrs, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, milkman, milkmaid, doctor, lady doctor, man, woman, lord, lady, master, mistress, poet, poetess, host, hostess, cock, hen, dog, bitch, horse, mare, groom, bride, giant, giantess. These are 20 masculine, feminine. Now we are going to start definition of verb. All action words are called verbs. ऐसे अल्फाज जो किसी काम को ज़ाहिर करे वर्ब कहलाते हैं. For example, Vanya is drinking orange juice. I am combing my hair. Drinking is a verb. Coming is a verb. So underline these verbs. Write your second definition from the next page. Preposition. Preposition is also called relating words. Full stop. It shows the relation of noun or pronoun to something else. Full stop. ऐसे लफ्ज़ जो नाउन या प्रोनाउन के दरमियान ताल्लुक़ ज़ाहिर करे प्रेपोजिशन कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, बुक इज़ ऑन द टेबल. ही इज़ इन द रूम. These girls are fond of music. On, in and of. These are preposition. Underline these preposition. Now we are going to start essay from the next page. Mention date, essay, write the title name of essay My Best Friend. Start from here. In this blank, you will mention your friend's name. Dash is my best friend. Full stop. If you are a boy, you will use he, and if you are a girl, you will use she. अगर आप boy हैं तो आप हर जगह he mention करेंगे, और अगर आप girl हैं तो आप she mention करेंगी. He, she is my class fellow. Full stop. He, she is also my neighbor. Full stop. His, her. Boys use his and for girls her. Father is a clerk. Full stop. He or she is intelligent and hardworking. Full stop. He or she is good at studies. Full stop. He or she often stands first in the class. Full stop. He or she is never late for school. Full stop. He or she also takes keen interest in games. Full stop. I like him or her. Boys use him and girls use her. I like him or her good habits. Full stop. We work and play together. Full stop. This is the end of today's lecture. You must do this work in your English copy too. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.